Hey, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Jacked Up Gardening. Mason Day is joining me once again for a fun chat about herbs.
Yeah, Caitlin, what better way to spice up a dish than with a few chives, some fresh oregano or basil leaves to go along with tomatoes and mozzarella. Delicious if you ask me, but it's important to remember that herbs feed and support our health, but if we want healthy herbs, we need to do our part in feeding them the nutrients that they need for proper growth.
Yeah, exactly right. That's why we recommend using the Jack's Classic 2020 All-Purpose on your herb garden and plants in containers. This formula is great for supporting healthy root and leaf growth and providing a balanced level of nutrients for herbs to feed on while they're growing in the sunshine.
And I know that growing indoor herbs has become a big, a thing amongst, the foodie types where they're trying to grow herbs all year round. So if you are growing indoor herbs, they can be fed at a quarter teaspoon per gallon with every watering. Or if you only want to feed them indoors once a week, you can mix half a teaspoon per 1 gallon of water. But outdoor plants need 1 tablespoon per gallon of water every 7 to 10 days, and it's important to saturate the top 1 to 2 inches of the soil with each fertilizer application, making sure that those nutrients get around the area where the feeder roots are.
Yep, and perennial herbs such as lavender and chives start to emerge in the garden during the early spring. Gardeners like myself really enjoy their emergence when coming out of a long winter slumber. And, just what a treat to see growth in the garden. But once you see that green growth, you can start fertilizing them. The nutrients will help them get a good kickstart for the growing season, for sure. And giving them that all purpose is the best formula for that. And then the annual herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, a little more tender. Once they're planted outside after a danger of frost, you can harvest them right away. So regardless, herbs start pretty early in the season and you can get a pretty quick turnaround versus planting a tomato seedling and having to wait till it fruits.
Herbs all year long. That's the way I like it. The only thing I want to ask Caitlin is, what's your favorite herb? For me, it's Thai basil. I like to use it in all sorts of cooking. I don't know. I like some fusion dishes, and it goes great in there. But what about you?
Oh man, I gotta say lavender only because I love those purple flowers. It smells great. You can eat it. It can make your sock drawer smell good. You can put it in candles, like so many uses. And then maybe from more of a culinary focus, I will say I like chives. I just like how they dress up a dish at the end. So
You know what? You made a lot of great points there, but yeah, so just want to thank everybody for tuning in this week. Let us know if you have any questions on herbs in the comments below, or you can send us an email to info@jrpeters.com. And yeah, we'll see you all next time when we chat about our tomato feed as we start to get into that tomato planting season throughout the country. See you guys.